Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best utility knife that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gerber EAB Lite Pocket Utility Knife. The Gerber EAB Lite Pocket Knife is an incredible utility knife and the best product you can ever have in hand. If you need a product that is both pocketable and easy to hold, this will be your best option. The Gerber utility blade has an extraordinary design that features improved elements that were not included in the plan of its predecessor, the EAB from Gerber. The edges of this pocket knife are replaceable with either standard size utility blades or 2-1/4 inch contractor grade blades. It is well suited for jobs such as the slicing of rope or the opening of boxes. The Gerber EAB Lite knife has been designed with deep finger grooves and rounded edges which ensure users always have a secure grip. Its handle has been manufactured from stainless steel and can be used as both a money clip or a pocket. The type of material used for this knife makes it lightweight, a feature that is much appreciated by users all over the world. Besides this unit's deep finger grooves, it boasts of a threaded fastener that keeps the cutting blade firmly in place. Using the Gerber EAB Lite for cutting purposes is extremely easy and comfortable also. Other features this knife has been built with include its safe liner lock for the razor-sharp blade and a tapered shape that helps with scraping or scoring. Moving on at number 4, we have the Stanley 100996 in Classic 99 Retractable Utility Knife. Another great utility knife for your cutting purposes is the Stanley Classic 99 Utility Knife. This knife features the use of 3 unique blades all manufactured from stainless steel. The Stanley knife features a multi-position blade slide that helps change blades at any time. All 3 edges are 11-911 massive duty entities and as such are incredibly durable. The material used for these blades enhances their durability after every use, a feature that is not common among other utility knife models. To keep your edge secure when in use, the Stanley knife features an interlocking nose engineered to hold your edge in place securely. There are a plethora of features possessed by this industrial knife from Stanley, a few of which we will discuss in this article. One of the essential elements many users love about this utility knife is the position of its blade storage. The storage area for blades in the Stanley utility knife is located in its handle, an easy-to-locate area. This makes the changing of blades very simple and time-efficient, unlike other knife models that have separate blade storage. The provision of 3 blades means that your knife will operate continuously for an extended period, without the need for extreme maintenance and repairs. All edges are straight edges and made from die-cast metal and steel. At number 3, we have the Alltrade 150,003 Auto-Loading Squeeze Utility Knife. It's no surprise that the brands with the sharpest utility blades are often most sought after, or those that have ergonomic designs that deliver extreme comfort during extended use or for lightweight and extremely affordable units. What if we told you that the Alltrade utility knife offered all these features and many more? Welcome to the land of Alltrade, where all products manufactured are customer-centered and as such, seek to deliver excellent performance at all times. They are made from only the finest materials with the highest level of quality and have been engineered with help from modern technologies to be the best knives you will ever come into contact with. The Alltrade utility knife has been through a series of tests to ensure that durability is assured for all potential users. In addition to this, the construction process provides that the end product, which is the utility knife, meets and often exceeds the standards of all tool safety institutions. In 3 seconds or less, users can change from a dull, used blade to a fresh and sharp cutting edge for a series of cutting jobs. All extra blades are stored on board this knife, a handy solution that is loved by many users of the model. In total, the Alltrade utility knife comes with 6 heavy-duty blades and a lifetime warranty that supports its durability. At number 2, we have the Klein-Kurve handle Klein heavy-duty utility knife. The best products are those made by the veteran manufacturers in the game. One of such products is the Klein-Kurve utility knife, a product developed and designed by Klein Tools, a leading manufacturer in the industry since 1857. This utility knife features a slightly curved design that enhances both its cutting ability and its comfort provision. The storage of blades for this unit is found in its handle for easy access by the user. To change your blade, you're only required to push a button to gain access to your stored edges. The Klein-Kurve knife is extremely easy to identify in any location, thanks to its bright orange color, an intentional color choice made as a brand statement by Klein Tools. Besides its expertly curved design, this utility knife from Klein Tools has two blade positions with a wire stripping notch that makes custom cutting very simple and straightforward. It also features an ergonomic grip and an interlocking nose meant to make usage more comfortable, especially for extended periods. If you're thinking about durability, the Klein replaceable blade knife should be at the top of your list. With Klein Tools being in the business for more than 160 years, they have amassed all the knowledge concerning the durability of utility knives, and as such, every product they manufacture delivers significantly on strength. And finally, at number 1, we have the workpro Quick Change Utility Knife. In talking about the reinvented workpro utility knife, we must speak of two things: affordability and dependability, the two guiding principles to the design of this beauty. The workpro knife is a multi-use product that is preferred because of its versatility. It can be used for cutting through materials such as cartons, paper, carpet, PVC, leather, cloth, bags, and many more. No matter how regularly you make use of this unit, it has been engineered to last for an extremely long time. It is very portable and doesn't weigh too much, thus, keeping it in your pocket or purse comes naturally to you. The workpro utility pocket knife is made from stainless steel and as such is not susceptible to rust. The use of such a material further explains its level of durability and quality. Besides the quest to create the world's most affordable and dependable cutting tool, manufacturers of the workpro knife seek to deliver incredible value through the use of their product. This is done via the myriad of features it has been designed with. One of such elements and features is the ability to fold your utility knife. Folding makes this unit more compact, and as such, it fits comfortably into your toolbox or pocket. It's also an aesthetically pleasing tool that makes your toolbox more colorful and exciting.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.